Hello everyone, so we have learned different alphabets, words, how to write quotes. आप इसको of course when you're making scrapbooks, when you're making cards, when you're making bookmarks, you can use for calligraphy for that. And without using any special tools, you can write really beautifully. So say if you're making a birthday card, ये मैंने simple थोड़ा सा watercolor painting I was just trying out. And this is of course a way to make a card. आप किसी भी तरह की उसके पीछे एक some flowers or some balloons or some cake you can draw, and then you can simply write happy birthday. And normal लिखने की बजाय we can write it in this calligraphic way. So I'll just be writing that over here. And you can choose any of the words you like. It is not compulsion कि आपको एक ही तरीके के words लिखने हैं. You can just make the changes according to yourself. Just keep in mind that the downstrokes will be shaded and we will try to shade it parallel, or even if you're making triangles तो वो एकदम even होने चाहिए. So let's write happy birthday if it is a birthday card you want to make. This is my way of writing. Now it's not a compulsion कि आपको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है या इस तरीके से लिखना है. The way you want to write, you can just go for it. Now you can see I have written a simple happy, और अभी बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा because this is simple. You have not even done anything to this. Now moving on to the downward strokes. If you want, you can just leave it here, or you can take it like this. You can make your curves as you want. Now this is upward stroke, this is again a downward stroke. So आपको सिर्फ ये देखना है कि आपने लिखते टाइम कहाँ कहाँ पे downward strokes लिए थे. Now this is a watercolor sheet, तो इस पे बहुत अच्छे से पेन नहीं चल रहा है. I think a brush pen would be a best for such sheets. बट ब्रश पेन से इट्स नॉर्मल ब्रश लेटरिंग हो जाएगी, फिर वो फॉर कैलीग्राफी नहीं रहेगी. सो ट्राई यूजिंग दिस ऑन अ सिंपल शीट ओनली बिकॉज आई एम रियली हैविंग ट्रबल इन राइटिंग ऑन द वाटर कलर शीट, बट इट्स ओके, वी विल स्टिल बी क्रिएटिंग इट. Because the surface is very rough, so it is hard to get consistency on this. But you can see I'm just following the one particular rule that we have learned. And this was the final and last downward stroke. So that is how I have written happy. And then let's write birthday. Excuse me, extremely sorry. So I have written the birthday like this, again covering all the downward strokes. this is how you can write happy birthday.